Today, like if you want to, find an event or how to do the registration process, is very complex process. We try to simplify that in online mechanism where somebody just can go to the website and then, once you find the event, with a few clicks, you can actually do the entire registration process very easily. And also you can actually simplify the payment gateway. Instead of you waiting on the day of the event, waiting for long queues, you can actually pay online using your debit card, credit card, or net banking. And the people who are not comfortable with paying online, they still can register online, and they also can opt for the cash on delivery model, which you can actually say that I register for this, I'm interested, but somebody can come and collect at my home. So we actually simplified the entire registration process of the events, any event what is happening across India. So you can actually find the events, also make the entire registration process very simplified, pay the payment or gateway online and with the various mechanisms. So that is what basically briefly what we do. And we also help the event organizers like Mustclass and various companies to promote the events through the social media. And Mera Events is one of the top 10 e-commerce brands in the entire Indian market, which has the highest Facebook fan base. We have almost 350,000 Facebook fan base. And in terms of the entire India, we have one of the top 100 brands in India, which has the highest Facebook fan base. We have almost 350,000. So that's basically where we are as a company. And thank you very much for the opportunity.